Welcome to the learning material of Part Identification, Traceability in FIFO, presented by Sakti Auto. In this module, we're diving into 3 essential practices that keep manufacturing efficient and error-free. Traceability, Part Identification, FIFO concept. Let's start understanding these 3 important concepts one by one in this material. What is part identification? Part identification involves tagging or labeling every part with unique identifiers such as part numbers, barcodes, batch codes, or QR tags. This helps in distinguishing parts quickly and correctly across every stage of the manufacturing process. Part identification is the practice of clearly labeling and distinguishing every component or material in the production process. Imagine building a car, where hundreds of similar-looking bolts and parts are used, without proper part identification. Even a small mistake could lead to major failures. That's why factories use labels, barcodes, RFID tags, color codes, or serial numbers to track every part accurately. What is traceability? Traceability is the ability to track every part's complete journey, from raw material to finished product, and even after it reaches the customer. It helps manufacturers answer critical questions like, when was this made, on which machine, by which operator, using material from which supplier? Why is traceability important? Number 1. Quality control. If a defect is found, you can quickly trace and isolate affected parts. Number 2. Root cause analysis. It helps identify exactly where and why a problem occurred. Number 3. Customer trust. Being able to trace parts builds confidence and strengthens your reputation. Now that we understand traceability, before moving on to the third key practice, FIFO, first in, first out, let's understand the significance of part identification and traceability in detail. Prevents mix-ups. Clear identification ensures the right parts are used at the right time, avoiding costly errors. Enables fast recalls and corrective actions. If a defect is found, traceability helps pinpoint and isolate the affected batches quickly, minimizing impact. Builds shift-wise accountability. Production records tied to specific shifts, machines, and operators create clear responsibility trails. Ensures only inspected parts move forward. Traceable records guarantee that only verified parts proceed to the next manufacturing stage, boosting quality assurance. Reduces customer complaints and audit issues. A robust identification and tracking system strengthens process control, ensuring compliance and customer satisfaction. Now that we understand the importance of identifying and tracking parts accurately, let's move on to the third essential practice that keeps production orderly and efficient, the FIFO concept. What is FIFO? FIFO stands for first in, first out, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining product freshness, minimizing inventory waste, and ensuring proper stock rotation on the shop floor. It means that the materials or parts that enter the system first are also the first ones to be used or dispatched. In simpler terms, the oldest stock moves out first, not the newest. Importance of FIFO. Prevents material aging or expiry. Parts and raw materials don't sit unused for too long, avoiding degradation, rust, or shelf life issues. Maintains quality and freshness. Products made with older, stored materials maintain consistency and quality. Reduces inventory waste. FIFO minimizes the risk of scrap, rework, and financial losses due to outdated stock. Improves process flow. Following FIFO creates smoother operations and reduces production delays caused by material confusion. Supports compliance and customer satisfaction. Many industries, especially our automotive, require strict FIFO control for regulatory and quality reasons. In short, FIFO wants us to use the oldest, deliver the freshest. Before we wrap up, let's take a closer look at the key pillars that make part identification, traceability, and FIFO successful on the shop floor. Standardized labeling. Every part must be marked using consistent formats, coding systems, and placement rules. Confusion is avoided. Data recording and management. All identification and traceability data should be properly recorded, either digitally or manually. Information is always accessible. Visual controls. Using signs, color codes, dedicated bins, and visual tags. Instant communication of part status, location, and priority. Inventory discipline. FIFO works only when teams strictly follow first in, first out during picking, issuing, and dispatching materials. Training and awareness. Operators and supervisors must clearly understand the consequences of errors in labeling, scanning, or not rotating inventory properly. Audit and verification systems. Regular audits and random verifications to check if traceability, part identification, and FIFO procedures are being followed as intended. In short, a great system is made of strong standards, plus good discipline, plus regular checking. Quick question. Which of these pillars does your team currently follow and which one needs more attention? Take a moment to think about where you are strong and where you can grow. Summary. To wrap up, part identification, traceability, and FIFO are not just system tools. They're daily habits that protect quality, reduce errors, and make the workplace more efficient and reliable. In the next session, we'll dive deeper into how to implement these practices effectively on the shop floor with real-world examples and action steps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning session.